your nausea, boost your folate. How to drink healthily during your pregnancy. When you're pregnant, so much of the advice you receive feels awfully negative. Don't drink coffee, don't eat sushi, avoid lunch meats, no more beer for you. And while some drinks should be avoided in order to maintain optimal health for your little one, others can actually boost and benefit your baby's health and your own. Our list of drinks can help you thrive in your pregnancy, from reducing morning sickness to boosting folate and increasing your iron absorption. While there is a plethora of information about what foods and drinks are healthiest during your pregnancy out there, the situation gets confusing because not everyone is in agreement. Some folks swear that sushi is off limits, for instance, while others have said that the risks of this tasty, and generally healthful, dish are overplayed. One interesting new finding that applies to everyone: if you eat more adventurously during your pregnancy, your baby may be more inclined to explore the world of food as well. In their Handbook of Nutrition and Pregnancy, Carol O'Keefe describes a study that took place in Northern Ireland. Babies whose mothers ate garlic during their pregnancy were more inclined towards the smell of garlic after birth, while those whose mothers avoided garlic avoided the scent. In France, a similar study was conducted on babies whose mothers enjoyed aniseed sweets during their pregnancies, with similar results. So eat and drink safely and adventurously if you want your infant to start developing their palate in the womb. And one up the Gwyneth Paltrow type mommy wars moms at their own game while doing something you already love. Oh, you started your baby on prenatal yoga at 6 months? Well, I started my infant on a rich appreciation for the gastronomic at 3 weeks. Our list of healthy pregnancy drinks is intended as a general guide. When developing your pregnancy diet, talk to your physician about what they recommend for you given your body's particular needs and history. According to the Harvard Medical School Family Health Guide, a study has shown that ginger, long used in traditional medicine as an anti-nauseant, may be beneficial for women who are suffering from morning sickness. The study involved 70 pregnant women who experienced nausea during their pregnancy. The majority of women who added ginger to their diet were less sick less frequently than those who did not. You're probably aware that it's important to increase your iron intake during your pregnancy, but did you know that some foods and drinks may help or hinder your ability to absorb the iron you're consuming? According to Nutrition During Pregnancy, a report published by the Institute of Medicine of the National Academies, compared with water, orange juice will roughly double the absorption of non-heme iron from a meal. Tea and coffee, on the other hand, will cut the absorption of non-heme iron by more than half when compared with water. Make sure you go with pasteurized juice, though.